News just coming in, JNU Students Union President Kanhaiya Kumar was booed at the Mind Rocks Youth Summit 2016. He was greeted with Modi chants drowning him out.
You share with us today how was your experiences in the jail while you were there inside?
देखिए, एक बात तो मैं बार बार कहता हूं कि मैं पॉलिटिशियन नहीं हूं।
नहीं मगर
लेकिन
आपकी लीनिंग्स तो है, आप काफी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के साथ दिखाई दे रहे हो आजकल।
नहीं, आप मुझे बताइए, मैं आपके साथ बैठा हुआ हूं तो क्या मैं जर्नलिस्ट हो गया? मैं पॉलिटिशियन नहीं हूं। मेरा कहने का मतलब यह है कि जब तमाम चीजें हमारे समय में राजनीति से तय हो रही है, किसको पोलियो का टीका मिलेगा, किसको पोलियो का टीका नहीं मिलेगा, ये अगर राजनीति से तय हो रही है, हमको अपनी राजनीति तय करनी पड़ेगी। और बहुत अफसोस है कि कुछ लोगों को अपनी राजनीति समझ में नहीं आती, मोदी करने की राजनीति समझ में आती है। बहुत दिक्कत की बात है।
एक बात बताइए कन्हैया, when you sit down, when you reflect, when you do introspection, what do you think about yourself? Just a sec, let me complete, please. Many say that what happened inside the campus was a launch pad for you to kickstart your political career.
देखिए, इसके लिए तो मैं मोदी जी को बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं।
चलो मोदी जी को धन्यवाद कर रहे हैं,
क्योंकि अगर उनकी पुलिस हमको पकड़ती नहीं तो आप हमको यहाँ बुलाते नहीं, तो इसलिए मोदी जी को धन्यवाद है। दूसरी बात यह है कि इस देश के अंदर 65% यूथ हैं। जरा सोचिएगा ध्यान से कि 65% यूथ का नेता 65 ईयर्स ओल्ड कैसे हो सकता है, इस बात का जरा अंदाजा लगाइएगा। और हमारा कहने का मतलब यह है कि जब देश नौजवान को है तो नौजवानों को अपने भविष्य के बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा। और हमारा भविष्य सबको रोजगार दिलाने में है, सबको शिक्षा दिलाने में है और सबको शिक्षा दिलाने में है।
All right, let's get a word from Avantika Singh, who interviewed Kanhaiya Kumar at the Mind Rocks event this afternoon. Avantika, there were loud chants of Modi during Kanhaiya's speech. Did that come as a surprise to you? Also, when, if I remember correctly, when Kanhaiya had addressed a gathering at the India Today conclave earlier this year, we didn't really experience this kind of a reaction.
No, we didn't, and absolutely, you rightly pointed out, it took everyone by surprise. It took me personally by surprise. But there were loud cheers for the Prime Minister. There were times when Kanhaiya was not allowed to, speak. And you know him; he's known for his fiery, very powerful speeches. And he may be claiming that he's not a politician in the making, but he had all sorts of issues to talk about. But he was not allowed to speak, not once, but on numerous occasions. The kind of response from the crowd was, Modi praise and loud cheers, loud chants of the Prime Minister, which somewhat even caught Kanhaiya by surprise. But knowing him, the person that he is, he's so impassionate. He is known for making these, impassioned speeches on Azadi. He continued to do so, and he was pretty unfazed about the same.
Absolutely. I guess it's not the first time that he's faced Modi chants while he's addressing a gathering, Avantika. I also want to find out, who are these people who are now sitting as guests at the Mind Rocks event? Are they college students? Are they school kids? Who are the people who are raising chants against, in favor of Prime Minister Modi while Kanhaiya was speaking?
No, it was not school-going children. In fact, there was just a very small section of young kids who probably were even clapping for Kanhaiya. And he is that kind of a person. He has that kind of a persona. He loves speaking to the audience. And but the larger section comprised people within the age groups of, say, about 19 to 29 years old. I mean, there were many adults there also who were coming up to the front, to the stage, and raising slogans in favor of Narendra Modi, something that caught everybody by surprise. There was not just one person, there were a huge number of people who were seen chanting Modi slogans while Kanhaiya Kumar, the former JNU president, was speaking so emphatically about the issues that, he feels for so strongly.